Even your brain can trick you. Do you also have this one friend who's so sure that something happened and they're just like, no, 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 I know it happened because I remember it. And it didn't really happen. But they're still so convinced. But yeah, you can be rest assured that they're not lying or just making things up. It's actually their brain remembering that thing actually exactly like that. Hi, I'm Rutuja, I'm a neuropsychologist, and today we'll be discussing why this really happens. These are called false memories. It's sort of a storage issue, you can say. Here's the deal, your brain doesn't really remember all of these memories like a camera would. In fact, it's just remembering things in bits and pieces. For example, images, feelings, or certain aspects of that memory, like sound, for example. And all of this is spread out in the hippocampus and other areas. And when you try to recall a memory, your brain actually rebuilds the memory from the storage. And this rebuilding is where the mistakes sneak in. The weaving is sometimes a little off here and there. Think of the mandala effect. Thousands of people believe that the Monopoly man on the Monopoly game box actually has glasses when he never really did. Or even the Pikachu example, where everybody believes that Pikachu had a black tail, but he never really did. All of this is just a brain glitch. Our brain just tries to fill in gaps with what feels right. So remember, when someone says that they remember something perfectly, doesn't mean that it's actually true or correct. Because confidence is in memory is not equal to memory accuracy. So share this with your friends and tell them why they keep claiming that something happened when it really did not. Or if it's you who claims that something happened which did not, tell them why.